In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can replace your battery in your BMW key fob. But before we do that, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Now, in order to do that, we need to remove the key section of the battery, and to do that, you simply press the button at the back of the key and pull on the key. This removes the key and leaves you with the key fob section. And we need to remove the back cover here. Now you can see there's two little nibs on the side there. We need to prise up from there, and in order to do that, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and we're going to pull up on these little nibs. I don't know if you can see there, small little nib there. You can pull it up. If you've got a long enough nail you can, but I'm going to use a small miniature flathead screwdriver to remove the back cover. So just put it underneath the nib and then pull up. And to remove the battery, you can just gently pry open from one side to remove the battery. Pop open the cover like that. That reveals the space for the battery. The battery you need is a Panasonic CR2450 3-volt coin battery. It's got to be a coin battery. And then all you do is simply pop your key in like that, and then the reverse of popping your case in like that, and then sliding your key back in. And that's how you replace a key on a BMW key fob. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below, and watch this other video if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next video.